What's going on, everyone? Today's video, I'm going to be testing out my new camera, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. This is Insta360's newest action camera for creators, and it comes packed with features like the flip-up touchscreen, voice commands, and so much more with all of its AI features included. This is the camera I'll be using for the foreseeable future, and so far I'm loving it. The way I've got it mounted allows for easy battery swaps and quick dismounts, making it super convenient. For this video, I'm just testing it out to see how the quality holds up while getting some wheelie practice in. This isn't a full-on review, but if you'd like to see a full review of this camera, let me know in the comments down below.
What's going on, you guys? In today's video we are testing out the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I was using a GoPro, but now as of late I decided to switch over to the Insta360. Recently I was sent out the Ace Pro 2 for some collaboration, and I also really like Insta360. I use their gimbal, and I'm just making the move over to this rather than the GoPro. It's a lot more features, much better clarity at night also. Not that I do a whole bunch of night rides, but it's really good in low light. This is Pure Video Plus mode on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. I also have the GoPro strapped to my chest so you guys can see how much darker the footage is on the GoPro and how unusable it is. But with the Ace Pro 2, you can actually go out for night rides or in low light conditions and pretty much guarantee that you got a good shot. So anyways, as I was saying, we are rocking the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 now. And so far, I'm liking it. Right now, we are in manual mode, shooting in 4K, 60 frames a second at 1/1000th of a shutter speed, because I don't have filters for this camera yet. So until I can get some ND filters, I'm gonna have to run it at a higher shutter speed. That's also what I'm testing out to see what the video actually looks like with those settings, because right now it is a super bright day. I'm just trying to get the exposure right instead of having the camera on automatic and fluctuating all over the place because I'm going through shadows and super bright light. Also, I've turned off stabilization. I'm also not using HDR. Both of those modes stabilize the video, so this should come out a lot more immersive, I would say. The Ace Pro 2 also has the widest camera angle at 157 degrees. So that's perfect for things like this. Rocking it back and forth, back and forth. I'm still working on my brake control. It's not the best, but practice makes perfect, right? Oh my gosh, that was scary. It started going way too fast. Alright, so we have a little bit under 200 miles on the eRide Pro 2.0. So far, all I can say is what I've noticed about the bike is that it leans to the left. It's a leaner. I know that I'm not the best at wheelies, but this thing definitely leans. That being said, it's still one of the smoothest bikes I've ever ridden. And the power and the throttle feel for a stock bike, it's really, really smooth. It's really easy to keep the wheel up. You can feel the bike start to like lean to the left. I don't know how to explain it. Just ends up going to the left. Yeah, so like I was saying, the Ace Pro 2 has really good low light capabilities. So if you are the type that likes to ride at night, then this camera is probably the best option for you, because all the other cameras comparatively, they don't look the same. This uses an AI chip that just makes everything look better in low light if you're in the right mode, and it really does make a huge difference. He like leans, for sure leans. Obstacle. It's pretty sick. That one was pretty good. Y'all, Insta360 for the win. I feel like I'm also pretty tight still in my body when I'm doing these wheelies. Okay, I'm starting to see. I'm like aiming with my front wheel. I can see clearly now. My front wheel is basically like my arrow. So as long as I can keep my front wheel straight and pointed where I want to go, the bike actually ends up doing what I want. Wow, what a revelation. Seriously, I can tell now. Had to bring it down, started getting too fast. See how slow I can go. I'm gonna pop it at 15, 14. At 199 miles, about to hit 200. And we hit 200. Mid wheelie. Also, I'm getting better at hanging on to them. I know that that's like super tweaked, but so this is not a full review of the camera. This is just me testing it out and also getting out here and practicing some of my wheelies. So if you guys like the video, go ahead and leave a like. Drop your thoughts, comments down below. Also, if you want to see a full-on review of this camera, go ahead and let me know. Tell me what you guys think about it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.